9 exercises to lose weight at home and no need to go to the gym. Every year, it is estimated that half of all American adults try to lose weight. Aside from dieting, exercising is one of the most prevalent methods used by people who want to lose weight. It burns calories, which is important for weight loss. Exercise has been linked to a variety of other benefits, including increased mood, stronger bones, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Well, the easiest and most sustainable way to work out is to do it from home. You don't have to go anywhere, and it makes it a lot easier to fit into your daily schedule. In today's video, we will share with you 9 exercises to lose weight at home, from burpees, plank, push-ups, and more. Watch till the end to find out more. Exercise number 1, burpees. Start on the floor in a plank position with your arms extended. Drop into a push-up until your chest almost reaches the floor. Extend back up into plank position. Jump your feet in so they are by your chest. Bring the top half of your body up, led by your hands, and jump in the air. Bring your hands back down to the floor. Jump your feet out so you are back in the original plank position. Repeat so you do 10 burpees. Once you have done 10 full burpees, take a 10-second break and do 2 more rounds of 10 burpees. So overall, you should do 3 sets of 10 burpees. You can then take a 20-second break before moving on to your next exercise. Let's go! Burpees are a great move that targets your whole body. It acts as cardio, getting your heart rate going, and it also targets your abs, obliques, legs, arms, and chest. You'll feel the burn after this exercise. Exercise number 2, plank. Kneel down on a mat. Lay both of your forearms on the floor in front of you so they are parallel to your shoulders. Extend both your legs back so they are straight behind you, with only your toes touching the mat. You should be in a straight line, with your bum tucked in and not in the air. Make sure your core is also tensed and engaged. Hold for 30 seconds. Once you have done one 30-second plank, take a 10-second break, and then hold another plank for 30 seconds. Do these 3 times. Planks are an amazing move for really targeting your abdominal muscles and also help to tone up your arms, legs, and back. Exercise number 3, push-ups. Drop down into a plank position, bend your elbows and bring your chest down with control so it is almost touching the floor. Extend your arms back up into plank position. Repeat so you do 10 push-ups. Do 10 push-ups and then take a 10-second break, followed by another 10 push-ups. You want to do 3 sets of 10 push-ups overall. If you are a beginner or are struggling, then you can rest your knees on the floor and do a push-up from that position. Push-ups target your core, arms, and chest. They are an intense exercise that will have you seeing results in no time. Exercise number 4, sit-ups. Lay flat on your back with your legs bent at the knee, feet flat on the floor. Put your hands behind your head and then lift your upper body to meet your knees. Make sure you are lifting from your abs and not pulling your head up with your hands. Repeat so you do 10 sit-ups. After doing 10 full sit-ups, take a 10-second break. Do 3 sets of 10 overall. Let's go! Sit-ups are a great exercise for targeting your abdominal muscles and shoulders. Exercise number 5, lunges. Stand fully upright. Put your hands either in the air, clasped in front of you, or on your hips. Put one foot in front of you and bend your knee. Keep the other leg completely straight. Go down as far as you can without resting your knee on the floor. Straighten the front leg again and bring it back next to your other leg. Do the same with the other leg. Repeat so you do 10 lunges on each leg. Take a 10-second break after doing 10 lunges on each leg, then repeat 2 more times. Lunges are an exercise that targets your legs and glutes. You'll have strong thighs and hamstrings in no time. Exercise number 6, squats. Stand in an upright position. Stand with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Have your hands clasped in front of you. Bend your knees, keeping your upper body still and upright. Push your bum and hips back slightly as you go down. Hold for 4 seconds. Extend your legs and bring your body back up to the original position. Repeat 10 times. Do 10 squats, take a 10-second break, and then do another 2 sets. Remember, you can take a nice 20-second break before moving on to the next new exercise. Squats target your hamstrings and glutes. Exercise number 7, mountain climbers. Drop to the floor into a plank position. Your hands should be flat on the floor holding up your body, with then only your toes touching the floor. Bring one knee up to your chest. Push the leg back so it is next to your other leg in your starting position. Bring your other knee up to your chest. Push it back so you are back into starting position. Keep doing this, alternating legs, but do it quickly so it is like a little run with your legs. Repeat and do 20 little runs. Do 3 sets of this, with 10-second breaks between each one. Mountain climbers are a great exercise that works for cardio, as it gets your heart pumping and also targets your legs, shoulders, and abs. Exercise number 8, bicycle crunches. Lay on your back. Put your hands behind your head. Lift your head and upper back off the floor and bring one knee up towards your chest. At the same time, bring the opposite elbow towards the knee so it crosses your chest. Bring your elbow back and your leg down. Do the same on the other side. Keep repeating this quickly so it imitates your legs pedaling on a bicycle. After doing 20 bicycle crunches, 10 on each side, take a 10-second break and repeat these 2 more times. Bicycle crunches are great for your abs, legs, and shoulders. Exercise number 9, glute bridge. Lay on your back. Bend your knees to make a triangle. Lift your bum so that you make a bridge, really engaging your glutes whilst you do this. Hold for 4 seconds. Only your head, upper back, and feet should be touching the floor. Bring your bum back to the floor with control. Repeat this so you do 10 glute bridges. Do 3 sets of this with a 10-second break in between each set. Glute bridges target your glutes and hamstrings, and you will be feeling the burn after. So, there you have some of the best exercises you can do from the comfort of your own home that will help you to lose weight. They will get you sweating and in shape in no time. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy!